Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track a project or manage a team, but you found yourself overwhelmed by the amount of information and the lack of organization? So you're not alone. Many people struggle to keep track of their work, and that's where Smartsheet comes in. Smartsheet is a cloud-based software platform that helps teams collaborate and manage their work. It provides a variety of features, including tasks, create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Projects, define projects, set deadlines, and monitor their progress. Forms, collect and manage data from your team or customers. Reports, generate reports to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Smartsheet is used by a wide variety of organizations, including businesses, government agencies, and nonprofits. It is a powerful tool that can help you get organized, stay on top of your work, and collaborate more effectively. How does Smartsheet make money? Smartsheet is a freemium business model. This means that you can use the basic features of Smartsheet for free, but you will need to pay for additional features or users. There are three main ways that Smartsheet makes money. Subscription fees. Smartsheet offers a variety of subscription plans, ranging from $14 to $30 per user per month. The price of your subscription will depend on the number of users you have and the features you need. Add-ons. Smartsheet offers a number of add-ons that you can purchase to enhance your experience. These add-ons include things like Gantt charts, proofing tools, and advanced reporting. Enterprise solutions. Smartsheet offers enterprise solutions for large organizations. These solutions include custom integrations, dedicated support, and training. What are the benefits of using Smartsheet? There are many benefits to using Smartsheet, including easy to use. Smartsheet is a very user-friendly platform. You can get up and running quickly and start using it to manage your work. Powerful features. Smartsheet offers a wide variety of powerful features that can help you get more done. Scalable. Smartsheet can scale to meet the needs of your growing business. Collaborative. Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate with your team members. Affordable. Smartsheet is a relatively affordable solution compared to other project management software. How can I get started with Smartsheet? If you're interested in using Smartsheet, you can sign up for a free trial. You can also learn more about Smartsheet by visiting their website or watching some of their tutorial videos. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you get organized, stay on top of your work, and collaborate more effectively. It is a great choice for businesses of all sizes. If you're looking for a way to manage your work more effectively, I encourage you to give Smartsheet a try. You can sign up for a free trial today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on productivity and business tips. I hope this script is helpful.